Kule ngqungquthela yemfundo ibibanjelwe kwiziko leenkomfa eMonti, umfundi webanga lesibhozo uAyophola Chopha ufumene ithuba lokufunda indlela yokunika ikhompyutha imiyalelo i-coding ngolwasemzini. Lo mfundi ufunde lukhulu ngendlela zokusombulula iingxaki zezibalo ngohlobo lwe-coding.
We can calculate using this coding. Coding is whereby you are instructing something, right? So we can instruct this. I can instruct this Chromebook to make a conversation between two animation characters, whereby I can tap to a block panels and then create a script whereby they will talk to each other, the characters.
Le ntwazana eneminyaka eli-14 yesikolo samabanga phantsi iMbasa eNgqamakhwe ithi ubuchwepheshe bale mihla buwenza lula umsebenzi.
Instead of using textbooks, we have to get to the page, we have to write on chalkboards. This makes it easy because we can just type and switch to the level you want. Okay. It helps in teaching, whereby the teachers won't be able to won't even write in the chalkboards. They will just give the learners the Chromebooks, and into the learners they will learn more information because this technology is easy. Okay. You just have to learn it.
Ukukhawulezisa inkqubo yokusetyenziswa kobuchwepheshe, isebe lezemfundo lisebenzise imali eyi-2.8 miliyoni randi ukwakha iziko losasazo eliza kusetyenziselwa ukufundisa abafundi beli phondo. Umlawuli we-e-learning uLutho Kota uthi basebenzisana neenkampani zabucala nemibutho engafumani nzuzo kurhulumente ukuzisa izixhobo zokufunda nokufundisa.
We've got schools that are having, for instance, roll out, so not just a roll out, but donations in terms of STETSA tablets, because STETSA after census but donated tablets in the province, about 7,000 of those tablets, which we have deployed to our schools. We've deployed them to 168 schools. We also had SITA tablets, which is the training SITA tablets that we have received, which we have also deployed to 108 schools. So what we have done, tablets came without content. So we then found a way of saying, let's procure kule financial year i-content.
Umbutho wotitshala iNAPTOSA uthi bayawamkela umsebenzi owenziwa lisebe ekuphuculeni inkqubo yokufunda nokufundisa.
This public-private partnership, if it is nurtured and supported, will take us forward. The department, as the government, cannot do it alone unless they rope in the society, the business, the unions, everyone. The parents are critical in this. So if we are all together with the same vision, same focus, and a pace that is manageable, we will get there.
Isebe lezemfundo lizamkele iingcebiso kwakunye nezindululo eziphume kule ndibano. Esinye sezi zindululo kukuqinisekisa ukuba zonke izikolo zeli phondo zinezixhobo ezaneleyo zokufunda nokufundisa. NdinguYamkela Mchiyo kwiindaba ze-MPK eMontini.
So if you actually press on the QR code, it will come up, and then all the students will scan it with their laptops or their tablets or their phones, and then they'll have those notes.